In this video, I want to show you an opportunity that you will not like to miss. So if you are a lover of exotics, then this video is for you. And the currency pair we are looking at is USD versus Mexican Peso. This currency pair can make you lots of money once it begins to move. And I think we are getting to that point where we will get a big move in this very currency pair. So this is the daily time frame of this USDMXN. From this very chart, we discovered that this market was in an upward trend, making higher highs and higher lows. This is a demand zone with these lows, this low and this low. So we had this very demand zone that price was targeting while it was moving down. Below these very levels like this, there are always liquidity. Those that are buying, putting their stop loss here, their stop loss creates liquidity just below the zone. So as a result, the market has come down for those liquidities and seem to have taken them off. And also, if you observe this very candle, this very large candle, you find out that after the market moved up, there was no retracement of this very large bullish candle, at least to the point of the peak of this previous candle before the large bullish candle. So if we pick our crosshair and put it at the tip of the previous candle before the breakout, that is before this very bullish candle, look at the tip. So at this tip, you find out that the market never retested this very tip of the previous candle since the breakout. However, the market has come down here to retest it. So that imbalance that was created in that zone has been filled at this point. But something more important is happening now. We've seen the market gradually reclaim this very demand zone. So this demand zone that have been reclaimed is now pointing out the fact that this move below here was a fake out, and a fake out in one direction will lead us to an extended move to the opposite direction. So as it stands now, we've just got a fake out here. All we need is to see a retest of this very demand zone. So from here, we should be looking for buy opportunity just at the retest of this very zone. Our stop loss will be either you put it below this very fake out area, or if you're so aggressive, you can just put it 2 candles below this very breakout candle. This is the breakout candle, so you can put it 2 candles below it, which should be somewhere below here. Okay, I like giving my trade enough room to breathe, so my stop loss will just be below this very area, while my target will be as high as back into this very area. When it takes off from here, the first barrier it needs to conquer is the bottom of this very ascending channel and also the bottom of this very descending channel. So both of them, there's a confluence of the two here. So the market has to come over it, close above it, and that opens the door for higher prices. So the risk reward ratio is more than 1:4, and this is the kind of trade I love taking. All we need is just a retest of this zone, then we move. So thank you for watching. Ensure you subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out when I release my next videos. If you found value in this video, share it and give it a like.